What's up, guys? Cam here, and I have some very exciting news on Monday, aka tomorrow, because this video goes up on Sunday. I am going to be heading down to Florida as safe as I can, mask on, Gulfport, Florida, that is, the home of ArtiKen HQ. Many of you guys know I work from home in Ohio, and when I'm at school, you know, I help out through a lot of things digitally, virtually, but when I'm there, we get a lot more done, and we can bring you guys a lot more video content, and I have access to so much more product, and it's just a great experience. For today's video, I'm going to show you my packing. I gotta pack. I haven't packed, and I leave the day after tomorrow, so I gotta get on packing, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be bringing down. So first things first, I gotta pack all my camera gear. Up first, we got the Black Magic. Yep, this camera is called a Black Magic, and it really fits the name because it's magic. It's great. Then we got the drone for all the sick aerial shots. GoPro, of course, gotta have it. The Rode microphone, batteries, more batteries, some SIM cards, chargers, more chargers, and even more chargers. My laptop, and of course my Nikon, which I'm shooting this on. And all that stuff fits right here into this one awesome camera bag. Look at that, it's all segmented perfectly. It looks awesome. So yeah, that's pretty much, that's not everything in the tech slash camera gear section. Pretty sure there's a few more things, but those are the big ones. Next up is clothes. So the first big thing that I need to pack is running shorts. Lots of running shorts because I'm gonna be running every single day, so I gotta have those, but they're all in the wash right now, so I'm gonna save those for later. Gotta make sure to bring the running shoes, the sandals, shoes for walking around, spikes, swim trunks, more sandals, t-shirts, shorts, this fun button-up Tampa Bay shirt, Nintendo Switch, snacks, my vacuum, always essential, tools for self-defense, my ukulele, my beach hat, my other beach hat. Yes, this is a hat. You can also wear it like this. Toaster, panini maker, and lastly, my notebook. So that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this short video, which is pretty much here to let you guys know that I'm going down to Florida for over a month, and that means there's going to be dope content on the way, so subscribe if you're not already. Stay tuned. I love y'all. Good night, good morning, peace.